Hi YouTube, today I want to show you my new base cabinet for my table saw. And since I do not have very much space in my workshop, I need to move it around all the time, and that's why I developed some retractable single action casters. Before I go into the details, I want to show you in an overview what the mechanism is doing. I tested it with 60 kilograms of mass and it does the job without any issue. This design is basically well known. You can find hundreds of videos on YouTube about that. I think what is probably specific to my solution is this metal shaft, metal lever arms and bearing blocks. And there's a detail, but this is crucial, it's the key element. It's how to attach the lever arms to the shaft. I'll show you this in a minute. These are the bearing blocks. Let me show you how these are made. By the way, I did not use any sophisticated tools in my workshop. I used a jigsaw, I used a drill press stand and a machine vise. The rest are basically small parts like a Forstner drill, metal and wood drills, screwdrivers and so on. I made the bearing blocks out of, I think it's 18 millimeters plywood, perhaps 20 millimeter, I'm not sure. And here you can see how I drilled holes to attach those blocks to a beam inside the cabinet. And the bearings are secured inside their blocks with washers. This is my cat roaming around outside of the workshop. After finishing the bearing blocks, I had to figure out how to make the lever arms. By using this little mock-up, I found out that I need to have lever arms with 88 millimeters of travel. Ja, genau. And this is the crucial part I was talking of. You have to secure the lever arms on the shaft with, I had to Google the word, splint pin is the correct word. Here you can see how it's attached to the shaft. Without it, the lever arms would definitely slip. with 40, 50 or 60 kilograms of mass. And finally I could attach the shaft to the beam inside the cabinet, mount the lever arms and adjust everything. Okay, that's all. I'm done. That's the base cabinet for my table saw with single action retractable casters. I hope you liked it and thank you for watching. Bye bye.